What's going on, guys? It's Michael with Michael's Semi-Daily Updates. Just jumping on here. Probably look like about how I feel. Just woke up. Now I woke up about probably 8:30, so I've been up for a little bit, but still not 100% awake. I got the day off because that storm. Boy, it's bad around here. I don't know. I'm in South Carolina, but South Carolina, especially North Carolina, Florida, Georgia, got hit by the storm. Storm Helene. It's bad. We got a leaky roof now, so hopefully HOLO Stock wants to jump up to $1 pretty soon, so I can maybe make some money and fix this stuff. But I wanted to jump on here, guys. You know, after a really fun day yesterday, so far the morning has not been so fun. We are down. The whole market's down. Donald Trump stock, which I made a little touched about on that yesterday, it's dropping. I think it'll change unless something that I haven't heard has happened, but I've been reading the news. I can't understand the drop for the in the stock market, but we have been on an upward trend for a long time, so don't get discouraged. You know, one of the hardest parts about being in the stock market is knowing when to hold them and knowing when to fold them, you know. And you know, usually, you know, like microcloud hologram, we had a 45% day, you know, and which carried into the morning. It was still 5% up when I checked before I made this video, but we was trying to hold 38 cents. So you know, we was above 43 cents yesterday, so it has fallen back a little bit. So like I said, just you know, either dollar cost average if you're wanting to hold. You know, if it goes below to a certain point that you think, you know, is a good price, then buy it. You know, no financial advice. And same thing, if you're up 45% and you don't know what you're going to do, or it's money you really need, you may think about selling it. You know, just do what you want to do. I'm holding it at, you know, like I said, I think I said yesterday, I've got 5,000 shares at about, you know, 24-cent average, 26-cent average. I always get them confused. I can't remember. So I'm doing good, but at the same time, it's sick to, you know, because you see all that profit you've made when it's up to 43 cents, and then it's dropped back down to 37 cents. When you have 5,000 shares, that's a lot of pennies you're losing. So, and there's people, you know, even people that follow me on this channel has got a ton of shares, which I definitely appreciate the support. I talked to one of my followers this morning. He was up in pre-market before it started when it was fighting 50 cents, and we was both excited, but it's fallen a little bit. But give it some time, guys. You know, same thing. We all know that, you know, they're going to manipulate this stock. You know, I'm sure some of that, when we had the price action yesterday, some of the shorts were getting out of their position. And then, you know, anytime you have a 45% day, I mean, more than likely the next day is not going to be another 45% day. But this is one of those stocks that could, man. You know, so I'm personally scared to get out of it, because the minute I sell, it's going to shoot up. And you know, my whole plan when I got into this stock was to make a decent chunk amount of change, and I'm talking, you know, a few thousand, not, you know, like I was up a few hundred yesterday. And it's hard not to take when you're up $500-600, but I don't. The only reason it's not hard to take, because I do believe in this stock, but you got to be careful with it, because, you know, I'm no super smart financial expert, you know what I mean? I just look at the opportunities in stocks, and you know, I think this could be an opportunity. So that's all I'm saying. But please be careful. You know, I've been in stocks before and lost lots of money, and it's just like Donald Trump stock, just soaring yesterday, and then today it's falling back down. But the whole market's down, guys. Because another thing, Donald Trump stock, I'm going to make some videos about. There's a lot of hate on that stock because everybody thinks Trump will short the stock and all that, and I'm not saying he won't, and it's no political nothing, you know. It has nothing to do with the finance. As a matter of fact, I hate politics. I don't think any of them care for us, you know, to be honest with you. If they do, you know, it's hard. I'm not seeing if they do. I mean, we're pretty tight, and I got a family, a couple teenagers that, you know, you go to McDonald's, get them a value meal, it costs $40, and sick of it, you know. So I just want whoever can get in there and make this place a better place, which I'm not going to go political there because I have my views, but, you know, I just want America to be what it was, and a great place to live, and place for financial freedom. And that's what we're trying to work towards, guys, with this hologram stock. You know, just keep the faith. Days like this, you know, I know are down, but remember all the fun we had yesterday. You know, those days, there's going to be a lot more down days than up days, but the up days are what we're waiting on. and every update we have just gets a little bit more attention on the stock. And you know, just one little piece of news, guys, and this could fly off the handle, especially if it was good news. You know, and if not, we're going to still have the news around the reverse split. If they don't get back up to $1 to satisfy the market, you know, then they're going to do a reverse split. I've been reading things. I've heard 50 to 1. I've heard 100 to 1. I would think they would do 100 to 1. And at that point, when they do that, you normally see some attention get on the stock, and it shoot up even higher. So let's see where we go with this. And I don't know, guys. It's still early, so a long time, as you can see by my wrinkly face. It's really early. But I'll make a video later. Thanks for all the support. Up to almost 360 subscribers. Trying to get to 500. So if you could like and subscribe, I would definitely like it. And if you're still here, I mean, I appreciate you listening to me talk for 6 minutes. That's crazy. And good luck to all my Holo gang out there. Subscribe, like, let me know how you're doing down in the comments. I love to hear you guys' stories. And I'm off today. They closed my work, so I have nothing but time, guys. So let me know if you have anything. Take care, guys. Appreciate you.